Hey kids, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna show you how you can draw the superhero Hulk from Avengers. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. Here I have drawn his ear and ear, and it's gonna be a little cute, but not that cute cause Hulk is always so angry when he is Hulk actually. Big circle eyes, though he is child, but he is healthy enough, and he has big muscles. Yeah, like this. Uh-oh. This is a mess. And now it's looking perfect. And this is Hulk's torn pants. And his legs. Let's draw some body muscles. Okay, my drawing is done, and now I will outline. You have seen that I have outlined all the area, and I have colored his hair, and I have removed all the pencil marks that we don't need anymore, and now I'm coloring his skin with, as usual, the green. a little purple for his torn pants. Amazing! This is how you can draw the superhero Hulk. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.